abataka nkomuringo gumwe gukora ko butamarwa bashaze mu kwesharinga bakakaniza sente miliyoni 28 ezikuga mu kubazombekira office ya meya bitaho no jango wajireba eje basakwate maziraho na miliyoni 10
aba baherize contractage bo babira basuma abo kuba contractage miliyoni 28 zibaheriza tuzesimye kubanza kore kintu iki ezediriza ni sente y'umunonga urwiji baromba kinsirwe mitwaro 15 hati mwe kinguza kurebe sente ndeba zona bona ba injina bona abokora nanka contractage busane sente baziri
na watu ntega cyabona ngo bizabina munana kwemba ko tabatubura ati yabona tikizimshi cyata mu kansu simyuka njata sikora muri zo baziriye bazumara namwe imagine kandi tunyega temu katega ko ma miliyoni 10 kamaro ukamira na munana sinde nyingi
bwanyuma kure nshonga zabataka Minister Rafael Magezi yakira umwanyogo nuko kutabukira inginiya wa district Chiza Mbonimpa
ekikombe cyegwa plan ya government kubasa kombeka ikizimbe office ya futu mukaga that is out echa kabiri igiti plan ya government the planting manye ibagishire icyakasha to bills of quantities iziba kuriro haba abantu ba chairman abo nebicupuri byonka
have a well structured plan but when it is like this extension which comes in not constructing a new one, then we make such a sketch.
You are standing by this engineer, this is okay because it is signed by your deputy. You know, deputy in your cousin. But now I want to hear it from you, that you are saying, so long as it is extension, anybody can sit and
but they tell us for money for this. First of all, complaint yanji of the plan. Secondly, wale bana bwa office buriya na ngone bwe kubine plan ri approve. You can't approve ubuntu burinka to it.
Minister Rafael Magezi nagirango akoze no kucondoza nuko kuragira DC ayemereze town clerk Moses Rugunda na engineer Samuel Katunje ahameramo
onijo nkwendo investigating no go ya sign ngere jongo no plan
sketch
that one is Katunje, that one is a criminal engineer wa government kustamana kakaramu ka jiroti ukahereza aba ngo bahabatanike kombe ataro stamp ya district
amukuraga gasha kwa Abraham Muganz Abwa TV West.
Miliyoni 2 ngaro bantu mwe